Once upon a time, a donkey stood in a field. To his left, a bale of hay. To his right, another identical bale of hay. Both piles were the same distance away. Both smelled just as sweet. Both could satisfy his hunger. So he stood there, unsure of which one to choose. Left, right. He couldn't decide. And in that indecision, he stayed frozen. Until hunger took over, and he died. It's a strange little story, but it mirrors something deeply human. When we treat every decision like life or death, we stop moving. We convince ourselves there's a perfect choice, and anything less is failure. But here's the truth. Often, the danger isn't choosing wrong. It's not choosing at all. Every moment we spend frozen is a moment we give away. Time doesn't wait. Life doesn't pause for us to make up our minds. And the perfect option? It's rarely real. Sometimes, the best path is simply the one you're willing to walk. So next time you find yourself stuck in a loop of what-ifs, remember the donkey and take one small step. Not because it's perfect, but because it's forward. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Carry this thought with you. Not choosing is a choice. And sometimes the freedom we seek is waiting on the other side of motion. Be kind to your mind today. Even small steps are sacred. I'll see you next time with another story to guide you through.